So, where'd you get the stuff?
Fuck you. I ain't saying shit till I get my motherfucking lawyer. You got that? Oh my goddamn fucking lawyer. Ask me all the questions you want and go fuck yourself for all I care.
You seem like you have an attitude problem.
And fuck you, you don't know me. Your job's so easy and shit. Now my job's a real fucking problem. And take these cuffs off me.
Sorry, no can do. You think this job is easy? Let me tell you something, sweetie. This job ain't easy. We get the call, we talk a guy down with a gun, some crazy motherfucker in a grocery store, or we deal with a drug-addicted fuck like yourself. But we still do it because this is our job. And judging by what you're about to stick in your arm, we saved your sorry ass.
For your information, all my veins are fucked up. I can't inject in my arm, my legs, even my fucking ass.
Where were you going to inject it?
My eye.
Now, why would you inject that shit in your eye?
Because it's the only fucking place left.
Okay, calm down there.
Don't tell me to calm down, motherfucker.
If you don't shut the fuck up, I'll beat your ass and then take you in.
You can't do that.
Oh, I can't? Who are they gonna believe? A fucked up junkie or a respected cop?
I ain't no fucking dealer.
I don't give a shit.